Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another edition of Dr. Q's Tips. Today we're going to be going over how to use a nasal steroid spray properly. Now these are very commonly used for people with nasal allergies, nasal congestion, and sinusitis. And while these are very common in the drugstore, what's not common is people actually using it correctly. So how do you use the steroid spray? Well, first, you take off the cap, you prime the spray, or you get it ready. Make sure it's a fine mist. Then you aim. Take one hand, open up the nostril by putting pressure on the cheek, put the medication in the nostril, and point it towards the eye or the ear. After that, you spray. After you spray, make sure that you don't take a huge sniff in. Not okay, because it'll go into the throat. What you want is to do short sniffs. All right, so let's demonstrate. Ready? Aim, fire. And that's it.